they are amazed.
Kambi mar chiwo Okumba mar Directline Assurance ne obaganyasi e boma ma Nairobi otieno mapiny orugodo kawuono mar nyiso mor margi e yudo mich mar Think Business Awards ma higani. Directline Assurance ne oyudo mich aboro maluwore e nyasino, kendo jotend kambino ne okawo thuolo makende mar chiwo puoch ne jonyiewo ma osebedo ka sirogi. Jata tije mar Directline Assurance Evans Nyaga ne owacho ni kambino pod biro medo tiyo kod yore manyasani e timo ohala mondo gijiw nyiewo mag Okumba e ndalo mabiro.
Being the best insurance company, tonight we have scooped a total of 8 awards, and the best, of course, as a winners, we have scooped the award for the best company, insurance company in technology and innovation. We have also scooped the category of the CEO of the Year award, and I'm pretty excited about that. But tonight is about Directline and the journey of transformation. I think that Directline has huge potential to make an impact and to transform lives in this country. And we continue to undertake that journey with boldness. We are going to be bullish going forward in terms of ensuring that we deepen the uptake of financial services in this country, and particularly insurance. And we are pretty excited that we have leveraged technology and we've been recognized by our peers for leveraging technology to achieve that objective.
Yeah,